Hi there, I'm Vicky, and welcome to the Company Sync.io accounting widget tutorial. Managing your company's finances can be complex, but the accounting widget makes it streamlined, customizable, and intuitive. This widget is designed to handle everything from tracking expenses to generating detailed financial reports. Let's explore its features and benefits together. Let's start with the dashboard. We can locate it on the left side of your screen. You see the dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub for monitoring financial health of your business. It includes income, profit and loss, a summary of your earnings versus expenses. We have invoices, expenses, payment details. For income, this includes a snapshot of your company's revenue streams. Profit and loss, a summary of your earnings versus expenses. Invoices, this would track outstanding and paid invoices for efficient cash flow management. We also have expenses. You can keep tab on company spending. Payment details. You can view detailed payment records for quick reference. The dashboard is fully customizable, allowing you to tailor it to display the most relevant financial data for your business. Let's proceed with transactions. The Transactions tab provides a detailed view of all your banking, sales, and expense transactions. Let me first define mapped. When you say it's mapped, it means transactions already categorized under specific accounts, not mapped transactions requiring categorization. You can filter transactions by date for quick access and ensure all financial data is properly organized, making bookkeeping accurate and stress-free. Let's proceed with the journal entry. The Journal Entry tab is where you can manually add financial records such as accounting information. You can select the account tied to the transaction. You can do debit or credit, specify the nature of the transaction, and then a description. You can add notes to clarify and tracking purposes. So the benefits of this journal entry is to help adjust and correct financial records. Next is you can ensure compliance with accounting principles and provide a clear audit trail for transparency. Next is we'll discuss the Transfer tab. Here. The Transfer tab allows you to record movement of funds within your business accounts. You can input details such as transfer funds from the source account and then transfer funds to the destination account. You need to also input the amount and date of the transaction. Once you're done, you click on the Save option. You can export reports for better financial oversight, and you can also do bulk actions for efficiency. This tool simplifies tracking internal financial transfers, ensuring seamless cash flow management. Let's proceed with Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is a database of all accounts related to your business's finances. You can add new accounts by choosing from the Account tab menu. Select the appropriate parent account, the details, you have the name, number, parent account, and then you hit Save. However, there are already predefined transaction type and detail type. Here, you can have it here. You can use the existing accounts already set up in the system. This tab ensures that your business accounts are organized and aligned with your operational needs. If you need to customize, this is also customizable. Let's proceed to the Reconcile tab. The Reconcile tab is where you can match financial transactions to bank statements. You can select which account you want to reconcile here. Input the beginning balance. Okay. Input the beginning balance and ending balance, and then the ending date. And then you click on Start Reconciling. Reconciliation ensures your books align with your bank's bank records, providing accuracy and accountability. Next is Reports. The Reports tab offers a comprehensive view of your company's finances. There's Business Overview, there's Bookkeeping, there's Sales and Customers, Expenses and Suppliers. For Business Overview, this is a high-level summary of your financial performance. Here, let's click on the sample. We have Balance Sheet Comparison. You can choose a From Date or the To Date, and then you click Filter, and it would show Balance Sheet Comparison. Okay. We can go back to Reports list. For Bookkeeping, the Bookkeeping has detailed records for compliance and auditing purposes. So there's account list, we have Balance Sheet Comparison. This is just an example. Let's go to General Ledger. You can filter from, and then to date, and then you click Filter. Or you can change the date so that the information would pop up. Let's click the balance sheet. Here you have the From Date and the To Date. That's 12/1 to 12/12. Then when you click Filter, it will show the dates or the data here. So that's how you can check for the reports and confirm information. You also have the Sales and Customers, and then Expenses and Suppliers. As you click onto the blue tabs, you'll get to a different set of report. Now, these reports is essential for making informed decisions and presenting data to stakeholders. If you want to create one, this is also customizable. Then you can add if you need to. Finally, we have the Setting. The Settings tab allows you to customize accounting widget to suit your business needs. We have the general information, we have banking rules, and then we also have mapping setup. Okay. For general information, you can input specific details about your accounting process. You can reset the data, or you can provide the information here. Everything, if any changes, you click on the Save button. For banking rules, you can set rules for categorizing money in and money out transactions. All you have to do is to click on the Add button, and then you define your banking rules, if there's any, and then just fill out the information here, and then you click Save. The mapping setup also would integrate mapping rules to automatically organize transactions. You can set up parameters for reconciling discrepancies, ensuring accuracy as well, and consistency. This flexibility allows the widget to seamlessly align with your company's accounting standards. Okay? And that's a wrap on the company's Sync.io accounting widget tutorial. This powerful tool gives you everything you need to manage your company's finances efficiently and accurately. With customizable features and robust reporting, it's the perfect solution for business of all sizes. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Vicky, and I'll see you in our next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.